The new COVID variant Omicron has triggered a massive scare around the world as well as in India. Centre and states are on alert in view of this highly transmissible variant. The perception is that it could be highly transmissible. The centre has issued guidelines for international travels from affected nations and made screening mandatory at all airports. Negative RT-PCR test before departure is must now, and second RT-PCR test on arrival in India has also been made mandatory. After arrival, passengers would have to quarantine for 7 more days, after which they would be tested again. Sample testing would be done for travellers coming from countries excluded from the flagged countries. In all the cases, if any of the travellers test positive, genome sequencing would be conducted to ensure the COVID variant is ruled out. Centre has also decided to review its flight resumption decision amid the Omicron threat. Centre has also asked states to enforce intensive containment surveillance measures. States have been asked to be on alert and prepare an action plan in case of any contingency. Expressing concern, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray, is going to be speaking to the Prime Minister regarding international flights.
कोरोना की विकट परिस्थिति में भी देश ने 100 करोड़ से अधिक डोजेज कोरोना वैक्सीन और अब हम 150 करोड़ की तरफ तेजी से आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। नए वेरिएंट की खबरें भी हमें और सतर्क करती हैं और सजग करती हैं। मैं संसद के सभी साथियों को भी சத்தர்க் रहने के लिए प्रार्थना करता हूं.
இந்த ஓமிக்ரான் அதாவது உலகத்துல தென்னாப்பிரிக்கால 1-2 பேரை பாதிச்சிருச்சுன்னு தெரிஞ்ச உடனே அடுத்து இமிடியேட்டா போய் நம்ம இன்டர்நேஷனல் ஏர்போர்ட்ல பாதுகாப்பு விதிகளை பலப்படுத்தி இருக்கோம். வர்ற பயணிகளை கண்காணிக்க சொல்லி இருக்கோம்.
If we find that someone is positive from the places of these vulnerable places, we'll ensure that they will be taken into hospitals and they will be treated accordingly. And similarly, in the last 15 days, those people who have traveled from Africa and other countries, we are trying to track their primary and secondary contacts, and we are testing all of those people.
At this moment, answers to these questions are difficult to say. It's too early days for this. The surveillance is on, as has always been. So if it arrives in India, of course we'll come to know. And of course the hotspot has been South Africa. Their situation is a bit concerning. I would not say alarming. It's concerning because it has accumulated a large number of mutations. So that's what actually is puzzling from the science perspective, that how did it accumulate so many mutations at once?
That the number of mutations which are seen in this particular variant are far too many. In the spike region, that's the region of the virus which sticks onto human cells and then enters into body. There are more than 30 mutations. Within a week or 10 days in Pretoria and surrounding area, this virus completely overtook the Delta virus, which was previously the dominant virus.
All right, now states are taking initiative to keep this particular variant at bay because there's a great deal of fear. What is Delhi doing? Let's talk about that first. Strict adherence to COVID norms in public places is what Delhi City essentially has announced. Hospitals to be prepared to deal with any sort of a medical emergency. The Lieutenant Governor is going to be holding a key meeting today. Let's talk about Maharashtra now. International travellers to be governed by directions of the centre. Negative RT-PCR tests or full vaccination certificates for domestic travellers is something that's mandatory. Also, passengers from South Africa to be quarantined in Mumbai. Samples of these passengers will be sent for genome sequencing, of course, if they do test positive for the infection. In Karnataka, passengers from South Africa will be screened in Bengaluru. Samples to be sent for genomic sequencing again if they test positive. In Gujarat, mandatory RT-PCR tests at airports. Testing must for passengers from Europe, UK, Brazil, South Africa, China and Hong Kong. In Kerala, it's mandatory RT-PCR test for all international passengers, irrespective of where they're coming from. 7-day quarantine for international passengers. In Uttar Pradesh, RT-PCR test mandatory for international passengers. Screening and surveillance at airports. Strict vigil on foreigners coming in large numbers. Again, in the state of Haryana, COVID-19 restrictions are extended till the 31st day of December. The Deputy Commissioner has been asked to restrict the gatherings just in case things go out of hand.